That's KFC.
I reckon this is it. I reckon this is actually the real recipe.
This is really yummy.
Walking upstairs.
That was so lame. Why do you insist on being so lame?
Anyway, let's cook this chicken. So, I'm about to cook some fried chicken. Are you?
No.
Oh my god, I'm so much shorter. Oh my god.
Oh, man.
Alright, let's get into it.
Let's get into it, my friend.
You say what we're doing while I roll up my sleeves.
Well, today, Nikita's gonna cook us some fried chicken.
Not just any fried chicken.
Oh, I'm so sorry, everybody. So what we're doing today is we're gonna cook copycat KFC recipe. So the story goes, supposedly, somebody interviewed somebody in the Colonel Sanders family.
Yeah.
I can't remember who. But they said they were looking through the photo album and like this recipe fell out of it.
Whoa.
And they think that's the original recipe. Is that crazy?
Yeah. Well, yeah. And because Daniel is annoying, he insists that we use a whole chicken and chop it up ourselves. But I've never done it before.
We're gonna do it from scratch. I
I
thought
know.
we'd just cut the chicken pieces.
Yeah, so I'm the chef today, so that means I have to cut it, and I was looking at it and there's still feathers on it, guys. Daniel's the chef in the relationship, not me. So I don't know what I'm cooking. If anyone's wondering, we already washed our hands off.
I didn't.
Oh, feels yuck.
Ooh.
Yuck. Oh, it's disgusting. It's disgusting.
What's wrong with it?
Let's look at what it looks like on this side. Oh, yuck.
What's wrong with it?
It's like, ew. It's like, oh.
What are you doing? That's a normal chicken.
Look at this.
Why are you chipping?
But there's like feathers all over it, guys. Like, I can't. That is feathers. That's disgusting.
Okay, that's funny,
How
Grace.
do you get feathers off? I'm gonna pluck some out. Alright, so we're gonna cut the chicken?
Yeah, go for it.
I think, oh god, I've already forgotten. Do I cut it from this way or from this way? So you just make a little, it's not cutting, an incision. Ah, there we go. Maybe it's better if I just use the scissors.
This fried chicken video is off to a terrible start.
Because you wanted to cut a whole freaking chicken.
That's how you make fried chicken. Why did you get the smallest chopping board known to man? Oh my god, you did it!
I did
You've
it.
got a leg.
Where do I put it? Get me another chop.
You can do it, I believe in you. Oh, that sounds juicy. Oh, you actually apparently doing it.
This is a chicken wing. That's what I'm doing. Winging it. I am winging it.
That was lame.
I can't believe I chopped chicken. What the hell? Is that weird? Never in my life I thought I would chop chicken. Anyway, put that aside.
That looks good. Look at your beautiful chicken work.
Thank you.
You got 2 wings, 2 drumsticks, and 2
Thighs. Yeah. Now we got a giant ass bowl. And we're gonna put all our herbs and spices in it. 2 cups of flour. Oh, that's a lot of flour. 2 teaspoons of salt. 1.5 teaspoons of thyme. 1.5 teaspoons of dried basil. 4 tablespoons of paprika. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. 1 tablespoon of celery salt. 2 tablespoons of garlic salt. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of dry mustard powder. 3, sorry, it's like gone up my nose. I sniffed it in. Okay, back. Okay, ready? 3 tablespoons of white pepper. Good KFC is kind of peppery, so I'm gonna sneeze. So much pepper. Did you sniff it in? Oh my god. My nostrils are feeling ticklish. Oh man, my nose is on fire. Like my nostrils are awake. 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. If you want MSG, it's 1 tablespoon of MSG as well. But fortunately, we're going without today. You know, like, feel the spice. Oh, you want me to do a bit of that action? Now we are mixing it all together. Ready? Oh, I don't want to ruin it. It's pretty. Oh yeah, paprika, paprika. So just gonna dip the chicken in the water.
That looks so gross.
I know.
The chicken's going for a bath.
So, you swim? You wanna go for a swim? You wanna go swimming? Do you know, so many years ago when I was a little kid, we had like these crazy floods where I live, and like school was cancelled. It was awesome. And then the next day, like when the water kind of went down, we went driving around looking at all the damage and all the puddles. And I took my little teddy bear, his name was Kodos, and we'll just drive past the puddles and I'll say to him, "You wanna go swimming? You wanna go swimming?" And that's just what this is reminding me of. You wanna go swimming? Ooh.
Just pack it in nice, you know.
Pack it in nice, you know. Let's get like under the skin. Lift the little flab up and then lift the flab back down.
Now it's starting to look like fried chicken.
Isn't it? It's like the color is so weird. But look, it's hiding the feathers, so it's all good. This is so disgusting. God, you gotta get in every nook and cranny. Get a little under the skin.
It's real gross the way you're doing that.
It's just skin.
Please stop.
Say when. Oh my God, am I literally just gonna use the whole thing maybe? Oh my God, am I gonna have enough?
Have enough.
That's enough?
Yeah.
Whoa, I used a big chunk of it. Are you sure that's enough?
So we have no clue. We don't have the thermometer, so we kind of have to guess when it's ready. And one way they said you can test it is by using a wooden spoon, and then if it bubbles, then it's ready. But if it bubbles too much, then it's too hot. But then Nikita doesn't even have a wooden spoon.
I have something wooden. This is what I have.
This is our thermometer for the day.
A rolling pin. But it's wooden, so it should work. I found something more appropriate to use, a wooden skewer, and I think it will work the same. Let's test. Ready?
Go for it.
Whoa, you see the bubbles?
Well, I don't think you can pick that up on camera, but it's definitely bubbling. I reckon we're ready to fry.
Ready to fry.
This is what it's all come down to.
Oh yeah. Gonna shake off the excess. And that's good, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it in. I'm so scared. All frightens me. I'm gonna put it in for 10 minutes because they're a little bit small. Ready?
Go for it.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Set a timer for 10 minutes.
Sure, 10 minutes. Starting now.
It actually looks like I envisioned, which I didn't think it would look as good. Like I feel like we would have stuffed this part up. Ooh. Stop! Oh my God, is that a feather? Can you see that?
Oh my God, it's a crispy feather.
Oh, guys. Kentucky Fried Feathers. Look at that. That looks freaking good as. Ooh.
Oh, this piece looks delicious.
The side definitely looks the best. Yum. Chuck the others in. I want to show you this. What? Oh my God. Hot.
Look what you did. You made this. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah, man, that looks like KFC.
Actually, it looks like KFC.
I thought it would be a fail. Like, I actually didn't think it would look this good.
Should we just try it?
Yeah.
We just gotta dig in.
All right, ready? Cheers.
Cheers. Doesn't smell like KFC.
Whoa! That's KFC.
It's good, but it's not KFC to me.
Do you think it needs an MSG? Yeah. It's missing. It's just missing one thing.
KFC has this really intense flavor to it that this is lacking.
Yeah.
This is good, but it's like a cleaner version of KFC.
I'm not mad at all. It's so good.
I reckon this is it. I reckon this is actually the real recipe.
This is really yummy.
And it's very juicy. Don't know if you guys can tell. It's so juicy.
Oh, can you see the juice? Oh, it's like hard, isn't it?
Usually after a couple pieces of real KFC,
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, this is nah. I can't do it. This, I actually really want more.
I want to name it. So Kentucky Fried Chicken. This is Dan and Naki Fried Chicken.
That was so lame.
Okay.
If you want to watch more lameness, please tune in for the next cooking video. I don't know what it is. I kind of want to make ramen from scratch.
Same.
Should we do it? Thank you very much for joining us, everybody. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and then watch this video next for 25 years of good luck.